anyways, everyone, welcome back to another video. But today, I'm showing a new Discord server. It's Tiki Oxrider's Discord server. I'm gonna put the link in the description. So here's all the things. Here's the new ranks, memes, and I'll change everyone's rank when So yeah. And then here's my update on my Discord server and my YouTube channel. And here's the two talk channels, Sucky channels. This is the one that I'm gonna be on at 7 times. And then here's vote for the best game and all that. Text games. And then talk about games. So yeah. And also, here's my friend's Brian's server, which I'm talking to right now. You can talk,
Hello.
Yeah. Oh wait, it won't hear you, because I don't have to, it won't hear you, probably. Whatever. But here's here's Brian saying all that. He likes Fortnite a lot, so that's why you can talk about Fortnite solos and duos and squads. And also up here you can text of what happened and all that. So yeah. That's about it for this video. I don't really know what to say. So I'm just showing my 2 Discord servers. Both of them are gonna be linked in the description. And I'm gonna start putting my Twitter in the link in the description. So yeah. Anyways, see you in the next video! Bye!